A few people have been asking me about where my body shell's gone and who's doing all the bodywork. Well, I've sent it here to Classic and Retro Restorations at Chorley in Lancashire. It's owned and run by Dennis Parkin, who specialises in all things classic mini, and not only restores them, but owns and drives minis himself. Over the last few years I've been watching all the rusty and rotten minis coming in for restoration work, and then leaving a short while later looking like new again, and having seen some of the results firsthand, it's not surprising why people come here from up and down the country. Now he'll probably kill me for doing this slow-mo shot of him, but this is Dennis, who will be doing all the repairs to the body shell and prepping the car ready for paint. I've asked Dennis to have a quick look around the car to see what work needs doing, and here's what's going to be happening. I'll keep it brief as I've covered some of this before in a previous video, but the roof seems fine, so that's going to be left as it is. The machine gun cut speaker holes will be tidied up, and they won't be seen once the actual speakers are installed. Ideally a new panel will be good, but I'm on a really tight budget and it just seems pointless installing a new parcel shelf just for me to cut it out with 6x9 speakers, which are going to be fitted anyway. The entire back end is being replaced as one complete panel. There's a lot of work required in the back end, so it makes more sense to replace this and save a little on the labour that it would likely cost to make all of the small repairs. Most of these panels will be heritage panels, which we bought from Minisport. Minisport's been really handy for me, as it's only a short drive down the motorway, and the bonus for me as well is that they're familiar with the car now, and have been kind enough to assist me with sorting out most of the parts that I need to get my car back on the road. The boot floor is beyond repair, and will also be replaced with a new panel. The main floor was terribly repaired in the past, and I'd already bought a full floor, so that will be going in to replace the mess that's there at the minute. There's some severe rot on the inner wings, so one side needs completely replacing. The right hand side of the car will also need replacing due to the excessive corrosion and some big dents. That will also fix the issue with the rotted gutter. There are then some smaller repairs needed on a few of the other panels, and unfortunately it needs a whole new front end as the panels that were replaced in the past aren't welded on properly and are misaligned. So there is a lot of work to do, and it's good to know that it's in safe hands. I'll be putting together some more videos of the progress with the bodywork, and in the meantime I've got to get the rest of the car ready so that I can start putting everything back together once it's been painted, starting with this pedal box which needs repairing as I think they can't be bought anymore.